All right, so I used to be a barista for Starbucks for several years. My favorite drink was an iced venti caramel macchiato. And so now I am doing keto, and I've been doing keto for 2.5 months, and I've lost 32 pounds. So let me show you how I'm getting through this with me still needing coffee, but obviously I'm not going to be going and getting an iced caramel macchiato with all the sugar and carbs. So here is how I make a rich, creamy iced coffee that satisfies me. So pop your K-pop or K-cup in the coffee machine, and you're going to add butter. I do grass-fed butter. All right, next we're going to add some heavy whipping cream. And we're going to add some vanilla extract. And mix. Now, this is going from an iced caramel macchiato, which has close to 50 carbs, to a drink that has almost no carbs. So this is definitely more healthy for you. Bon appetit, you're done.